So this is the reason why I said I don't need a light bar. You can see all of that? That's bright as hell. Headlights off, that's just the white lights. Headlights on, high beams on, then the daytime running lights kick in. It's bright. Well, I'll say this is a win. She made it to Florence, South Carolina to get some gas at Buc-ee's. This is actually my first time at this Buc-ee's. And overall, it's very clean for the moment. We'll see what happens. A lot of pumps, a lot of Tesla stations. Not really keen on Tesla. You like Teslas? That's good for you. It's not for me. Yeah, fill it up. Let's make it even $40. It's not bad from a quarter tank.